question which is purely based on the concept ratio, which is part of arithmetic, and it is one of the most important topic. Please go through that if you have not done it. And the question here you have on the screen. You can pause the video and then try attempting the question by yourself, or we can solve this together. So question says, the ratio of number of students in morning shift and afternoon shift of a school is given as 13:9. All right. So let's say the morning shift and afternoon shift. Okay. The number of ratios, number of students are 13 and 9, let's say, with x. Okay. So you know when the ratio is given and we assume a number, then we use a common multiple for both of them, and that way we can assume some number. Okay. So assume morning shift there are 13x students and afternoon there are 9x students. Okay. After 21 students move from morning shift to afternoon shift, the ratio become 19:20, 14. Okay. So what's happening here? From morning shift to afternoon. So यहाँ से निकाला, यहाँ पे चले गए. Okay. So now it should be, it's more of 13x minus 21 by 9x plus 21, and as per the question the new ratio become what? 19:14. So this become 19 by 14. Now you have this information, simplify and tell me what is the value of x. Let's look at that. So if we cross multiply here, what do we get? We have 19 into 14, which is 182. Let me directly write this. 182x minus 294. Okay, if I multiply 14 this side, and 9x plus 21, if we multiply by 19, we get 171x plus 399. Okay. Now if you simplify, take the change the side of the smaller value. So 182x minus 171x, this will become what? 11x here, equal to this side we have what? 399, and it will minus, we'll take this side, become plus. This will give you what? 693. Yeah, 693, correct. So based on this, the value of x here will be 63. That's the value of x. Okay. Now based on this, can we say how many students were there originally? So originally they were 13x. So 13 into 63 and 9 into 63 in the afternoon time. Okay. So morning and afternoon. Multiply this, what you get? 13 3s are 39, and then 6 are here. So you 78, you will get what? 819, and here 9 into 63, you should get 567 here. Now this was originally, and after the shift happened, so now what is the number? So you will subtract 21 and 20 from 1 from here, add 21 here. That's what happening here, right? Okay. So after the subtraction, you get what? 8, 9, and 7. So 789 here, and similarly, if you add 21, so you get what? 588 here. Okay, 588 and this one. Great. All right. Cool. Now, what you get next is, as per the question, let's see the next part of the question. So next part of the question says, next, some new student join the morning and afternoon shift in ratio what? 3:8. After joining, the new ratio become what? 5:4. We need to find out the number of new student joined. Okay. So from here, if new student join are in ratio what? 3 and 8. So let me say the new student join in ratio 3:8. Let's say 3K and 8K. Okay. So if we need to find, so what do we need to find? We need to find the sum of them. That means we need to find what is 11K. The number of students join in morning shift plus the number of students join in afternoon shift. So we need to find out how much is 11K. Okay. So let them join in the morning shift where we have 798 students. So what is going to happen after they join? It's going to be 798 plus 3K by the afternoon shift we had 588 joined 8K, right? Here 8K joined here, and accordingly, the new ratio as per the question, the new ratio become 5:4. This become what? 5/4. Okay. Now you can cross multiply and find what is the value of k, and you can substitute here to find out what is 11k, and that's what your answer will be. So let's cross multiply. Okay. What we get? 4 multiplied by 798 into 79, 798 plus 3k. What you get here is 3192 plus 12k, and 5 if you multiply in 588 you get 2940 plus 40k, and if you take the shift the smaller number at one side, so 40 minus 12k become 28k, and 3192 and 2000 minus 2940. So you will get here difference is 252, and if you divide this by 28, so k should be, if you cancel this out, k should be equal to 9. If k is equal to 9, what we need to find out is 11k. So 11 into 9 become how much? 99. So that's your answer. Do we have that? Yes. Option number D is your answer. So it's pure ratio, nothing else. Beautiful question, right? Okay. Let's try the next question.